Namaskar, I am Pradeep Solanki and today we'll do one very simple asana which is very beneficial to get rid of your reading glasses. After the age of 40, for some people it may be 45, then you will have difficulty in nearsightedness, that reading a newspaper or looking in front of computer, you are not able to see it clearly, and then you may be using the glasses and then you become dependent on that. And after age of 50, then even our memory is not good, then we keep on finding the glasses. Where is my glass? Where is my glass? Okay. Here are some very simple exercise. If you keep on practicing this exercise, maybe 2-3 minutes a day. Initially you can start for 10 minutes and then you can gradually, maybe twice or thrice in a week, your eyes will always be fine and you will not be needing the glasses, okay, the reading glasses. So this is not for the far-sightedness, that won't be corrected by this, only the near-sightedness. Now bring your both the thumbs in front of you. It will be better if you will create a dot on your thumb. It will be better if you create a dot on your thumb. Two identical dots, maybe by permanent marker. Okay, create two identical dots on both of your thumbs and then bring your thumb in front of you. The distance between your nose and this line of your thumb is around 16 centimeter or 15 centimeter. Okay, the distance between both of these thumb is around 10 centimeter. So just imagine a line touching from your nose to the line crossing your thumbs. Okay, there is a line 10 centimeter, this is 16 centimeter, distance between the thumb is 10 centimeter. Now start looking at the tip of the nose. Tip of the nose. Keep continuously look at tip of the nose. When you look at the tip of the nose, you will see a third thumb exactly behind that your nose. You will observe a third thumb exactly behind, and if you have created the dots, you will see the dots are combined and you will get a third thumb with a dot exactly behind the nose. Now first keep looking at tip of the nose and then when you see the thumb behind, what you do? You slightly raise your hand so that your third thumb is very clearly visible, just in line with the tip of the nose. Okay? When the third thumb is clearly visible, just take your both the thumbs away from each other, and when you take away from each other, the third thumb will try to disintegrate into two thumbs. That is, you will be seeing four thumbs, but you have to again converge your eyes so that only three thumbs remain. So slowly take it away, but very slow, so that you can converge your eyes and can make those two thumbs in between to a single thumb. Take it away. So you should always able to see only three thumbs and one at the center, and when you take them very fast, then you will say this third thumb which in middle, which disintegrate into two separate thumbs. But if you converge your eyes again, it will again become single thumb. So you have to do it slowly. If you feel your eye stretch in your eyes, relax, rub your hand and catch like this. I will repeat again. First you need to create dots on the middle of your thumb, then it becomes very easy to see. Or maybe you can write something, maybe write your initial, okay? But it should be identical. It should be exactly identical on both of them. You won't be able to write yourself, ask someone to write, okay? And then keep your thumb 15 centimeter from your nose, in a line of your nose, and a line, and gap between these two thumbs is around 10 centimeter. Then start looking at the tip of the nose. When you start looking at tip of the nose, you will see a third thumb just exactly behind your nose, in the line of your nose. If you are not able to see, you can just adjust. Take your thumb slightly far or maybe slightly near, or take them back. Eventually you will be able to see. When you see the third thumb clearly, raise both of your thumb so that the third thumb is just above the tip of the nose and can be clearly seen and focused by you. When the focus is clear and you are able to read what is written, what you have written like A or B or anything, your initials or maybe the dot, then slowly take your thumb away from each other. If you do it very fast, the middle thumb will be integrated into two thumbs. So please do it very slow. So in this process, it will try to disintegrate into two thumbs. That will, in total it will be 4, but again you have to converge your eyes so that the middle thumb always remain 1. It should always be 3 thumbs. Okay, take it away. With practice you will be able to get it. Okay, again converge your eyes, and then relax, close your eyes, rub your head. So this can be done anytime. Maybe you are in a washroom, you're sitting, going for toilet, practice it, or you are sitting idle for some time, practice it. If you continuously practice it, initially maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then gradually when your number is fine, you will not be, if you are already using glasses, even after a lot of practice you will get rid of those glasses. This is very simple exercise and very helpful exercise. If you start doing it, you will never be needing the reading glasses. Thank you. Namaskar. Please share your feedback.